Now, India's counting down to the vaccination day, which is tomorrow. So really, the countdown has begun for the vaccination drive on the 16th. The government has billed it as the world's largest vaccination program. On the 16th at 10:30 a.m., Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Pan-India COVID vaccination program via video conference. Over 3,000 centers to be virtually connected for the launch, and around 100 people will get the shot at each center on day one. 1,075 is the number for the round-the-clock call center.
At 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, the moment the Prime Minister launches the vaccination drive, these boxes will be opened across the country. In the biggest vaccination drive in the world, around 3 lakh healthcare workers will be vaccinated on day one. There'll be around 3,000 vaccination centers across the country and 100 vaccinations per day in each center.
We will start with 3,000 centers in the earliest phase. Then in another 2 weeks or so, the centers will be ramped up to more than 5,000 and much more ramping up.
Sources have told NDTV recipient will not be given a choice to choose between Covaxin and Covishield vaccines, and there won't be mixing of vaccines in any center.
As the concerns over the safety and efficacy data of Covaxin still continues, officials again assured that both the vaccines have been cleared after due process.
बिल्कुल डरना नहीं चाहिए. उनको तो रोल मॉडल बनना है. उनको तो रोल मॉडल बन के दिखाना है. उनको सबसे पहले चिन्हित किया गया है ताकि उनकी सेवाएं प्राप्त होती रहें.
The program has been planned to inoculate 1 crore healthcare workers first, followed by 2 crore frontline workers. Government has set a time frame to complete registration of frontline workers for vaccination by the 25th of January. The drive will intensify in coming days. For example, Delhi will begin with 81 sites and increase to 1,000.
हफ्ते में 4 दिन वैक्सीन लगाई जाएगी. सोमवार, मंगलवार, गुरुवार और शनिवार.
In Bengaluru, 6 centers have been identified which fall under the BBMP, which is the Bangalore Bruhat Mahanagar Palike. At least 100 people have been identified and are expected to get vaccinated at this hospital on the 16th of January as part of the final COVID-19 vaccine drive.
In our hospital, we are identified and uploaded into the recent portal 200 members. So on the first day, 100 members will be given. So second day will be 100 members will be given.
About 93,000 doses of the vaccine has been allocated for Kolkata, of which a large part is being distributed. It has arrived with about 73,000 doses here from the Bagh Bazaar Medical Store, which is where all the vaccines meant for Bengal were kept. 93,000 allotted to Kolkata, 73,000 here, and the rest have been distributed to other hospitals as well.
The vaccines are being kept under armed guard, like here in Thiruvananthapuram, where there are 11 centers.
1.34 lakh vaccine doses was what arrived in Thiruvananthapuram late yesterday evening, and from there today onwards this is being dispatched from this center. Similarly, doses have arrived at Kochi regional vaccine store, as well as from there it has moved to Kozhikode regional vaccine store, and from there it will be distributed to different districts.
An NDTV Bureau Report.